this your old buddy Charlie coming to you from Harley-Davidson at Cool Springs. Guys, I've got a 2018 Street Glide CVO. There's the big 117 cubic inch motor, and she's hooked up to that smooth 6-speed transmission. This bike right here is the first one we've had in this color combination, and I know she won't last long. What a beautiful motorcycle. Everything about this bike stands out. There's that boom audio speaker system that can't be beat. There's that hand-stitched, color-coordinated seat, which matches all of the graphics on the motorcycle. This bike right here, guys, is one of a kind. There's the other boom audio speakers in the interfering and that 6.5 touchscreen. CVO, there she says it. There's that LED headlight and those huge dual disc brakes on that front wheel. Guys, we're Harley-Davidson at Cool Springs, 7128 South Springs Drive in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee.